With Cadillac in the midst of defending its 2021 IMSA Manufacturer Championship, the brand continues to prepare for its return to the world racing stage. Cadillac Design is in the process of shaping the forthcoming GTP race car and the future of Cadillac racing. Drawing from Cadillac's previous racing success, the Cadillac GTP race car will be co-developed by Cadillac Racing, designed and race manufacturer Dallara. The prototype will feature a new Cadillac engine package in conjunction with the GTP common hybrid system.